Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on Binance Dubai. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Binance account. This involves providing necessary identification to complete the Know Your Customer, or KIC, process. Verification is crucial for security and to comply with local regulations, ensuring you have full access to all platform features. Make sure all your details are accurate for a smooth experience. Once your account is verified, the next step is to fund it. Binance Dubai offers various deposit methods, including bank transfers and card payments. Select the option that works best for you and link your preferred payment method. Always check for any minimum deposit requirements or transaction fees before proceeding. This ensures your funds are ready for purchasing USD without any surprises. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy USD. Head over to the Buy Crypto section on Binance Dubai. Choose USD as the cryptocurrency you wish to acquire and specify the amount you want to spend in your local currency. Review all the transaction details carefully, including the exchange rate and any fees, before confirming your purchase. It's a straightforward process. After successfully purchasing USD, securing your assets is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication on your Binance account for an extra layer of protection. For long-term storage, consider moving your USD to a personal hardware or software wallet. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Keeping your crypto safe is a top priority, so stay vigilant and informed about best security practices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.